Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to turn around using a driveway. In this video, I'll be going over a very simple method and process to turn your car around on a street using a driveway. I'll show you how to do it safely, I'll show you how to do it smoothly, I'll show you how to do it properly. Now let's get right to it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off over here and start driving on these side streets, and I'll show you the process. Now let's go ahead, I'm gonna put the car in drive. Let's get right to it. Use my signal, check my mirrors, check my blind spots, and let's pull away from the curb. Now the key is that you want to select the driveway. You want to take the appropriate steps to actually go and move your car into the driveway safely and smoothly, and then you want to turn around. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to make a right over here because it seems like it's a fairly long street to use, and there's going to be a lot of driveways. So I'll do this a few times for you in this video. Let's go ahead. We're going to turn right. Now I'm going to choose a driveway, okay? So I'm going to choose a driveway up there on the left-hand side. So I'm going to go ahead, and as I approach the driveway, I want to put my left turn signal on to let everyone else know that I plan on turning into the driveway. So I'm putting my left turn signal on right here. I can see there's a car approaching, so I'm going to wait for that car to pass so I can do so safely. I can turn in safely. Now the car's about to pass. I'm checking my mirrors. I'm checking my blind spot. I'm going to turn the steering wheel, pull into the driveway. And what you want to do is you want to straighten out as you go into the driveway so that I know that my car wheels are straight and my car itself is straight. Now I'm going to put the vehicle in reverse. I'm going to put my right turn signal on because I want to reverse towards my right so I can actually turn the car around. Okay, I turn left into the driveway. Now I'm reversing this way so I can turn the car around. And I'm going to go ahead and check for any traffic. And as I get out of the driveway, I'm going to turn the steering wheel, okay? Just like this. Turn the steering wheel until it locks, put the car in drive, left signal on, turn the steering wheel, and I've now turned around. Now it's very similar to a three-point turn or a turn in the road, but the only difference is that you are basically doing it using a driveway. So instead of turning just in the road, you're doing the same process for the most part, just using a driveway. I'm going to do the same thing over here, but I'm going to go ahead and turn into a driveway on the right, okay? So once again, I'm approaching a driveway. Since I drive on the right side of the road, I'm not looking for traffic for the most part when I turn to the right. So I'm putting my signal on, checking my mirrors, checking my blind spot, turning my car into the driveway on the right, just like this. I'm in the driveway, so now I'm straightening out my wheels, and I've driven up just a little bit. Now I'm putting my car in reverse, and I'm putting my left turn signal on because I want to reverse to my left, and I'm waiting for an opening in the traffic, a gap in the traffic. Now I'm reversing the car. You can see there's no traffic. I'm checking my mirrors, turning my head, checking my blind spots all the time. Now that I'm out of the driveway, I'm cranking that steering wheel all the way, okay? I'm going to put my right turn signal on now, put it in drive, crank the steering wheel all the way, and proceed forward. Very, very simple process. The key is that you have to use your turn signals, you have to check your blind spots, check your mirrors, check everything that you need to check in order to do so safely, in order to proceed safely, and then turn the car around. It's very simple. I'm going to do the same thing now, but I'll speed it up just a little bit. So I'm driving on the side street. Let's choose a different driveway, put my left turn signal on, start to slow down, no traffic, mirrors, blind spot, good to go. Turn my wheel, pull into the driveway, just like that, straighten out, put the car in reverse, right turn signal on, continue checking everything. I turn the wheel a little bit, but when I clear the driveway, I crank that steering wheel so I can get a nice angle, put the car in drive, other turn signal, which is my left turn signal, crank that steering wheel, and proceed. Check all my mirrors and my blind spots, and I'm good to go. And it's literally that simple. In this video, I've shown you how to turn around on the road, how to turn on a road using a driveway. It's a very simple process, and I've outlined the process using various driveways, showing you how to do it both on the right side and both on the left side. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What do you think about my process for turning around using a driveway? Do you have any tips for turning around using a driveway? Let me know as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.